Be honest. You're probably watching this instead of doing something important, right? Don't worry. I'm not judging. But let's get real. Why do we procrastinate, even when we know it's ruining us? Today, I'll explain why your brain loves putting things off and how to finally outsmart it. Procrastination is like your brain's weird best friend. It shows up uninvited, eats all your motivation snacks, then says, "Bro, let's just chill. You've got deadlines, dreams, responsibilities, and somehow you're watching cat videos or reorganizing your closet. Why? Because your brain is wired for it. Procrastination isn't laziness. Seriously, it's not because you're a bad or weak person. It's because your brain is a survival machine trying to avoid discomfort. It's like a dog that hears thunder and immediately hides under the couch. Your brain's job? Protect you from pain, including psychological pain. And guess what? Hard tasks equals uncomfortable. Your brain literally says, "This is stressful. Let's do something fun instead." So it hands you a distraction. Social media, snacks, daydreaming. Boom. Procrastination complete. Here's where dopamine comes in. Dopamine is the brain's hype man. It wants you to chase rewards. So when you think about studying, writing, cleaning, your dopamine is like, boring. But YouTube, Netflix, scrolling memes? OMG, yes please. Your brain actually rewards you for avoiding work. Fear also plays a huge role. You might be thinking, what if I fail? What if it's not good enough? So you delay. Trying to make things perfect is just another way we avoid starting. Your brain says, if we don't start, we can't fail. Logical, right? Procrastination is also about task aversion. Some tasks are just boring or overwhelming. Your brain is like, hey, remember that one fun thing we could do instead? So you switch and switch until the deadline is tomorrow and you're bargaining with God for one more hour. The worst part, procrastination isn't free. You pay with triple interest, stress now, panic later, and guilt forever. It's a vicious cycle of, I'll do it later, turning into why am I like this? So how do you fight back? Make it smaller. Your brain hates big, scary tasks. Break them into tiny steps. Make it obvious. Remove distractions. Put what you need in front of you. Make it rewarding. Celebrate progress, even dumb, tiny progress. Make it timed. Set a 5-minute timer and promise yourself you'll stop after. Your brain will usually say, fine, we can do 5 minutes. And remember, be kind to yourself. You're not broken. You're human. Your brain is just trying to avoid pain and chase dopamine. It's not about willpower. It's about understanding your own wiring. If you found this helpful, don't procrastinate hitting like and subscribe. Drop a comment with what topic you want explained next.